Asuntoskeittiö Laajalahden rinne.
Today is the 9th of November 2022. We have Laajalahdentie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Breideriksvägen 28 staircase B. And I filmed the staircase C here before, but we need to search for the staircase A if you can find it. And if it has other staircases also.
Yeah.
I love the smell in here.
The same.
And this is still with MB4 fixtures today, but unfortunately in the beginning of 2023 they're going to badly modernized these or replaced. We don't know who's going to do it, but filming them before. It was built in 1956, turned 65 years old in last year, 2021. This number is actually 61 and it's going to be expected next year, 2023. It has 5 floors. This has 3 rides. I did also 3 rides in this staircase.
Yeah.
Sinne Munkkiniemi, Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa and Finland.
Diskutiert ein paar Geweins, dann wir den gebaut, so noch Restkraft ist.
But that's too bad if it's actually cracked is going to replace them or
Yeah.
modernize them.
Yeah.
Let's turn on the lights a bit. It's the light switch. Press the grapple button. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. This was Stacy here. And I look for essentially other ones.
Yeah.
If we can find them. Because they might be. That's the white colors.
That's